Hi, and welcome to Savor the Flavor Weekly Recipes. My name is Colleen Walters, and we have Allison Johnston, my special guest today. We're going to make something very special for Valentine's. Valentine's Bliss Balls. So Allison, tell us all about these Bliss Balls.
So for our Bliss Ball for Valentine's Day, because let's face it, Valentine's Day is all about the bliss. Tell us about cardio beats, Colleen.
Well, I'm so excited. We've been able to incorporate Youngevity's brand new cardio beats into the Bliss Balls. Now, what I love about the cardio beats is it's a fantastic drink. It's full of antioxidants and it has beets in it. So it gives it a lovely, deep red crimson color, and it will hopefully show up beautifully in these new Bliss Ball recipes.
Absolutely, sounds blissful, doesn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to put some frozen raspberries, or you can use fresh. So just pop those into your food processor. And then we're going to do, again, our gluten-free muesli. So again, just popping it all in here. We have some shredded coconut. Go ahead and pop that in. Love these recipes where you can just throw everything in together. Your cardio beets. And this is just going to give the Bliss Balls that next level of goodness. Whoa! We're going to throw in some sunflower kernels, a beautiful cinnamon blend baking spice, and finish it off with some maple syrup. Okay, process that, roll them, and you've got a fantastic Bliss Ball feast just for you and your special Valentine this year.
Thank you very much, and stay tuned to the next Savor Natural Foods Recipe of the Week. And don't forget to download our recipes on our website.